Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant in-app notifications for comments on your Pinterest pins, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to turn off these notifications on your PC, following Pinterest's newest update. Let's get started and make your Pinterest experience a little bit quieter and a lot more enjoyable. First, open up your favorite web browser and head straight to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your Pinterest homepage. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Settings. This will open up a new page where you can control everything about your Pinterest account. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Notifications. Click on it to see all the different types of notifications Pinterest can send you. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Comments at Pins You Saved. This is where Pinterest manages notifications about comments people leave on your pins. By default, in-app notifications for these comments might be turned on, which is why you keep getting those pop-ups. To stop receiving in-app notifications for comments, simply find the toggle or checkbox next to in-app and switch it off. This tells Pinterest you no longer want to be notified within the app every time someone comments on your pins. After you've made this change, don't forget the most important step. Click Save at the bottom of the page. This ensures your new settings are applied and you won't have to repeat the process. And that's it. You've successfully disabled in-app notifications for comments on your Pinterest pins using your PC. Now you can browse, pin, and create without unnecessary interruptions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making your favorite apps work better for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.